Here is a beginner-level Regulatory Affairs Manager quiz that covers liaison with regulatory authorities, quality and manufacturing compliance, GMP and GDP, and change management and regulatory updates. Let's go. Question 1. Which regulatory agency oversees the approval of pharmaceuticals in the United States? A. EMA, B. FDA, C. WHO, and D. CDSCO. The answer is FDA. Question 2. What is the primary role of a regulatory affairs manager in dealing with regulatory authorities? A. To negotiate drug prices. B. To increase company profits. C. To ensure compliance and facilitate product approvals. And D. To develop marketing strategies. The answer is to ensure compliance and facilitate product approvals. Question 3. Which document is submitted to regulatory authorities to seek approval for clinical trials in the US? A. Investigational New Drug Application. B. New Drug Application. C. Abbreviated New Drug Application. And D. Good Manufacturing Practice Certificate. The answer is Investigational New Drug IND application. Question 4. What is the European equivalent of the US FDA? A. MHRA, B. TGA, C. EMA, and D. CDSCO. The answer is EMA, European Medicines Agency. Question 5. Which regulatory authority is responsible for drug approval in India? A. FDA, B. EMA, C. MHRA, and D. CDSCO. The answer is CDSCO, Central Drug Standard Control Organization. Question 6. What does Good Manufacturing Practice, GMP, ensure? A. Drug safety, quality and efficacy during production. B. Fast market approval for new drugs. C. Increased product sales. And D. Efficient marketing strategies. The answer is drug safety, quality and efficacy during production. Question 7. Which of the following is a key requirement of good distribution practice, GDP? A. Rapid sales of pharmaceutical products. B. Proper handling, storage and transportation of medicines. C. Reduced production costs. And D. Increased branding for pharmaceuticals. The answer is proper handling, storage and transportation of medicines. Question 8. Which guideline ensures consistent quality in drug manufacturing? A. ICH Q10, B. ISO 9001, C. CHO GMP and D. USP guidelines. The answer is WHO GMP. Question 9. What is the main focus of good distribution practices? GDP? A. Ensuring medicine safety during storage and transport. B. Increasing product branding. C. Speeding up production. And D. Maximizing profit margins. The answer is ensuring medicine safety during storage and transport. Question 10. Which regulatory document must be updated if a significant change occurs in the drug formulation? A. Risk Management Plan, RMP. B. Post-approval variation, PAV application. C. Sales report. And D. Marketing brochure. answer is post-approval variation, PAV application. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which of the following is not considered a GMP requirement? A. Proper documentation and record keeping. B. Employee training in hygiene and safety. C. Conducting clinical trials. And D. Equipment maintenance and validation. The answer is conducting clinical trials. Question 12. Why is change management important in regulatory compliance? A. To ensure product changes meet regulatory requirements. B. To improve marketing efforts. C. To reduce production costs. And D. To avoid audits. The answer is to ensure product changes meet regulatory requirements. Question 13. Which regulatory process ensures that manufacturing changes comply with health authority guidelines? A. Stability testing. B. Regulatory filing and approval process. C. Financial forecasting. And D. Sales expansion strategy. The answer is regulatory filing and approval process. Question 14. Which document is essential for reporting quality changes in an approved drug? A. Variation application. B. Sales performance report. C. Market analysis report. And D. Corporate financial statement. The answer is variation application. Question 15. A company modifies the packaging material of a drug. What should be done? A. Adjust marketing campaigns. B. Proceed without informing regulators. C. Only inform distributors. And D. Notify the regulatory authorities and submit an update. The answer is notify the regulatory authorities and submit an update. Question 16. What is the purpose of a regulatory audit? A. To verify compliance with laws and regulations. B. To assess the company's sales performance. C. To improve marketing campaigns. And D. To analyze financial investments. The answer is to verify compliance with laws and regulations. Question 17. A pharmaceutical company wants to introduce a new formulation of an existing drug. What should they submit? A. A new marketing campaign. B. A post-approval variation application. C. A customer survey report. And D. A distribution strategy. The answer is a post-approval variation application. Question 18. Which international organization provides GMP guidelines? A. WTO, B. ISO, C. OECD, and D. WHO. The answer is WHO. Question 19. What is the role of a regulatory affairs manager in change management? A. Managing customer complaints. B. Ensuring regulatory compliance for product changes. C. Increasing product demand. And D. Handling logistics and supply chain. The answer is ensuring regulatory compliance for product changes. Question 20. A company wants to expand its drug sales to new countries. What should they prioritize? A. Compliance with local regulatory guidelines. B. Increasing marketing efforts. C. Hiring more sales representatives. And D. Reducing manufacturing costs. The answer is compliance with local regulatory guidelines. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.